Easy now.
Take your.
Oh, Jesus. Here.
Let me try it now. Yeah.
Wait, after this. After I die. Which is going to be long.
Okay.
No.
We
Here.
gotta switch.
Emily, let me get you there, honey.
Never mind.
Bro, I'm as better than me at this game. I suck at it.
So do I. Don't do your best at taking one of those.
Granny almost has it.
Now take your time.
Take your time.
Okay.